Is your business still using a free email account? It might be time to upgrade to InMotion Hosting Professional Email. This new service is specifically designed for business. It's fast, secure, and mobile-friendly. Easily set up your domain today. I'm John Paul from InMotion Hosting, and in this video, we'll show you how to purchase InMotion Hosting Professional Email, because your brand deserves more than a free inbox. Start by logging into your account management panel, also known as AMP. You can do that by going to InMotionHosting.com and clicking the login button on the top right of the page. Once you've logged in, click the Marketplace link in the main menu. Then scroll down to the Email/Other section and you'll see InMotion Hosting Email listed. Click the Add Email button. Now click the Subscribe button on the InMotion Hosting Email page or scroll down to the comparison chart. You'll see all the available plans listed. Select the one that best fits your business needs. You can then select your domain from the drop-down menu or connect an external domain. For this video, we're selecting an existing domain. Now select the length of the plan that you want, choose from 1 month, 1 year, or match subscription term. Note, if you select match subscription term and the domain is already added to the hosting plan, it'll renew when your hosting plan renews. Otherwise, it will renew when your domain renews. Now click the drop-down menu and select how many mailboxes you want to set up. Keep in mind that you can also add new email accounts later. Scroll down to see a breakdown of your price, then select an existing payment method or add a new payment method. Review the additional information regarding your plan, then click the I agree box. And finally, click the Confirm Purchase button to complete the sale. You're finished when you see a message stating, "Thank you for your order," and your InMotion Hosting Professional Email service will then be provisioned. You'll receive an email notification once the provisioning is completed. You'll then be able to access and manage the professional email service on the main page of your AMP. This has been John Paul from InMotion Hosting, and if this video was helpful, let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. InMotion Hosting, always on, always human.